Noora Kuisma. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Proppu. Proppu is a platform that makes renovations easy and profitable for the buyer and seller. Renovations are a pain in the ass. It's very hard to find high-quality contractors, materials cost a lot, project management is typically a full-time job, and everything takes longer than expected. We know, we've been there, we've been the buyer, but we've also been the seller. We've been the contractor and the material supplier. And let me tell you, that's not an easy job either. There's a lot of non-productive work, many repetitive manual tasks, lack of trust, and also the rising cost of material. The existing solutions out there in the market are typically serving either the buyer or the seller in a very, very narrow part of the whole process. According to our experience, those solutions can't solve a complex industry like this. So how to solve it? It's actually super simple. You have to let everyone do what they are good at. Let the buyer choose the visual outcome of the renovation and let the builder build. It's simple as that. Technology can handle the rest. And that's why we built Proppu. Proppu is a platform that makes renovations easy and profitable for the buyer and seller. We help homeowners find high-quality contractors. We help them with our project management. We're their online project manager from start to end. We help contractors find new customers. We help them get rid of the administrative burden so they can focus on the productive work. We help both parties source materials more cost efficiently. Why now? And why should you be interested in this not so sexy industry of renovations? In Finland only, we have 77 billion euros worth of repair debt, and the number is increasing. On EU level, we should be renovating 19,000 homes every single day. And we're talking about deep renovation, not the surface stuff. Today, we're renovating 1,200 homes a day. So there's a lot of work to be done. So join us on this very important mission, because we need homes and we need to keep our building stock in good condition. Thank you. Any questions?
Yeah. Thank you for the pitch. Could you share a few words about your traction? What have you done so far? And if possible, in metrics also.
Yes, we launched the business around this time last year. We started by gathering the supplier side to the marketplace with our software for the builders. Today we have approximately 300 contractors on our platform. We've done approximately 150 renovations from last year summer to this date. We generated some revenue last year, 47,000 euros to be precise, and today we're looking at some 150,000 euros to date.
Maybe continuing on the metrics, how do you address the other side of the network, customer, the buyer side of the thing? How do you attract the customers?
We attract them with our quality network of contractors. Compared to other marketplaces where you can tender renovations, we have vetted all the contractors on our platform, so we can actually say that they are high quality workers. We also provide the materials that other typical platforms don't do. So we can actually say that you will get quality work and you can actually save cost on your kitchen.
Can you tell more about your team?
We're a team of super talented people. We're extremely passionate about the problem. We have experience from the real estate industry and from house flipping, also from contracting. We've seen the troubles of renovations, each and every one of us, and we want to solve those problems. We have an international team. Majority of us are in Finland, but we do have some of our team members in India too.
What makes you the right person? Why do contractors trust and like you?
Sorry?
Why do the contractors trust and like you? What makes you the right person to be the hub for them?
Very great question. Because we've been there, we've heard their troubles with the existing solutions on the market. Typically, the contractor is a man with a van, a very small construction company. Currently, they're using many different software. We've heard the fact that they don't like it. They have to pay many licenses here and there. From the marketplaces, they merely get a lead from it, and they're competing for it with many other contractors. So for them, it has been quite easy to start with us, even though we didn't have the buyer side of the marketplace yet, because they were able to see that we can actually take 2 hours of their administrative work every day from them. Because all they want to do, they want to build, they want to paint the wall, they don't want to send invoices or calculate offers or do the whole paperwork part.
What about scaling outside of Finland?
Yes.
There must be different processes, regulation, all that. Have you kind of done that market research? How easy is it to enter?
We've started doing it. To date, we've been mainly focusing on the Finnish market. We have very little knowledge now about all the other markets. We know that the business is there, but we don't know the right model to go there. That's where we really need support. We've been looking at Sweden now, and that's where we're going to start piloting next.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now it's working great. Give a big round of applause. Thank you.